All right, so, okay, let's go ahead and move on to our next one. This was another problem on your assessment. And it showed, if you remember, it showed you the picture, told you this was a candy box. And could I get a volunteer to read the problem to us? It gave us these instructions or this information on your assessment. And you are Alyssa. Alyssa, will you read that for us?
Can I ask Alyssa, will you speak so loudly that I can hear you way over here? And I'm a little hard of hearing.
Valerie shares some of the 12 candies from this box. She gave Cindy 1 candy for every 3 candies she eats herself. How many does she give Cindy?
Thank you. Okay, I'm going to show you. Let's see. This was the response we got on one of the assessments. Can you figure out what this student was doing? Just think silently. This is going to be our routine. I'm going to ask you to think silently first, and then we'll start sharing. So, but first, just some private think time. Can you figure out what this student was doing? And when you think you've figured it out, can I get a private thumbs up? That way I know when you're ready to move on. Private, so that you and I are the only ones who see it, so keep it really close to your chest. That works well for me, thank you. Okay, so when you and your partner are ready, could you and your partner go ahead and share what you think is going on in this illustration?
Yeah, for every 3 candies he eats. So there's 12 candies back. So then, what's 12 divided by 3? Yeah, so, wait.
So what did you want to share?
12 divided by 4. 3. So Cindy gets 3.
What do you think about this one? You are, can't read, say, oh, a shank? Is it?
For every 3 candies that Valerie has, Cindy will only get 1.
Okay, so how do you think this person created this? What do you think they were?
In one column, it contains.
I see you said column.
I meant in one row.
Okay.
It contains 4 candies, and there'll be since Valerie will get 3 candies, Cindy will get 1 of them.
3 and Cindy will get 1 of them.
Yes.
Okay, I see some heads nodding. Okay. Does anybody else think about this differently? Andrew, what do you think?
The person counted 3 candies for Valerie and then put a C in the next candy because Valerie just ate 3 candies.
Are you saying they counted 3
Yeah.
in the 3 here?
Yeah, and then
Rather than thinking in rows, you
Yeah.
think they did 3
call
and then a C?
because
A 1,
C
two,
and then 1, 2, 3 again and then C.
Oh, look at that. 1, 2, 3, and a C. That's possible too.